Hi, my name is Donna, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of these tiny wire-wrapped crystal points. I'm using 20 gauge wire. I'm using dead soft because it's easier for me to work with. You may be able to use half hard for this, but I'm not sure. And the crystal point I'm using is very small. It's a little less than 3/4 of an inch long. We're going to start the wrap first. Just hold the crystal point, and you want the wire going diagonally across it. And we're going to start with about 2.5 inches hanging over this side of it. And what you want to do is just start wrapping a little bit above the tip. Now as it gets to where it tapers, just let each coil sort of sit inside the previous one. And go ahead and cut that wire. And use the tip of your needle nose pliers to kind of push it into itself a little bit more. Then you just push it down a little bit. Then you just start wrapping up the crystal with the other side of the wire. You need about 2 or 3 full wraps at the top. Now on the back side of the pendant or crystal point, just bend that wire up at about a 90-degree angle. Try to keep it centered. This one isn't centered, so I have to move it just a little bit. And if you look closely, you'll see there's probably enough room for one more wrap on there, but I want to leave it like that because it'll help create tension in the next step. Okay, we need about 1/2 inch. And just take your round nose pliers and curl that into a loop. And as you do that, just keep curling it until it pushes down on the top of the crystal point and closes that gap. And that tension helps to set the stone a little better.